Donald J. Trump is the former president of the United States. He found himself entangled in a massive civil fraud case. In a state appeals court, a decision alters the course of events and begins the tale. Trump and his co-defendants received a significant reprieve. The court ruled that he must reduce the bond he had to post. It dropped from a staggering $464 million to a less daunting $175 million. Moreover, the court extended a lifeline by giving Trump an additional 10 days to post the bond. This decision was a crucial victory and relief for Trump. His attorneys had argued that paying the larger bond was a practical impossibility. Trump's legal troubles stemmed from allegations. He was said to have engaged in a decades-long scheme. The scheme inflated his assets' value for better loan terms and insurance rates. He misled lenders and insurers. The original judgment was against him and his business empire. It was a direct result of these allegations. It threatened to dismantle his finances and corporate standing. Trump, ever defiant, vows to fight the judgment. He takes to social media. He claims to have nearly $500 million in cash. He had earmarked the funds for his 2024 presidential campaign. He claimed he was financially ready, but he faced the specter of selling assets at fire sale prices. His legal team scrambled. They contacted over 30 surety companies. It was a desperate bid to secure a bond. But the judgment was complex and big. It was an insurmountable barrier for him. The surety companies balked at the idea. They had to accept hard assets like real estate as collateral. They insisted on cash or cash equivalents. The New York Attorney General is Letitia James. She stayed firm in her pursuit of justice. Her office dismissed the court's ruling as a setback. They emphasized that Trump still faced accountability for his alleged fraud. They argued the judgment showed years of deceit. It had unjustly enriched Trump, his family, and his organization. Despite the legal and financial quagmire, Trump saw a glimmer of hope. A merger between Digital World Acquisition Corp. and his Trump Media and Technology Group promised to give him fresh money. The new company's shares were ready to start trading publicly. The company owned the social media platform Truth Social. Trump stood to gain nearly $3 billion from this deal, which would be a big boost to his finances. But the merger's limits and the shadow of the legal judgment hurt Trump's finances. At least 6 months barred him from selling shares in the merged company. This rule could hurt his ability to address the bond's urgent demands. Trump faced legal and financial challenges. A narrative emerged of a man battling a perceived political witch hunt. Trump and his legal team portrayed it as an affront to justice. They said it was a targeted attack to undermine his political hopes and dismantle his legacy. He waged a war of words through court filings, public statements, and social media posts. He attacked the Attorney General, the judiciary, and anyone he saw as an adversary in this saga. Thanks for watching. If you love diving into today's video, hit like to let us know. Ready for more? Click subscribe and tap the bell for the freshest updates. Don't miss our latest gem in the Fresh Off the Press playlist. For more intriguing tales, check out our other videos.